Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use remaining three command is discussed here: symmetry and scaling and affinity. Okay, and three command is one by one is discussed here. At first learn a symmetry command. Okay, symmetry definition is pop up element select. Okay, this select element. Okay, and reference any reference point, any point and any axis. Okay, this is a axis. Okay, this is a draw here. Okay, any axis, this is a symmetry point, and click preview is showing here. Okay, this is a okay. Okay, this is a correct. Symmetry is a, this is a front side and this is a back side. Okay, this is a front side and this is a back side. You can see here this symmetry is this back side is a this back side and this is a okay, and undo, this is a undo and select again. You can see here. Okay, this is isometric. Okay, and select a symmetry command is used and select a element this face and also reference point, any reference and any point and any axis. Select a this axis and this face is a front and this is a back side. Okay, this is a preview is showing here and okay. Okay, and this undo and again select a okay, this is a correct and select this body, this extrude and select a point is this point is a select here. This is a correct. This is a front side and this is a back side and preview is showing here. This is a okay. Okay, this is a correct and undo. Okay, and again this point is a scaling and a scaling point is a scaling definition is pop up first element, select a element. Okay, this body is select here and reference point is a any reference point. Okay, this point is a any, this point is a this point and select a size is ratio is double, this is a double. Okay, and first is a this body and second is a ratio is double. Preview is showing here. This is a okay. Okay, scaling size increase and decrease. Scaling command is used, size is scaling command is used. This original body is size is increase and this increase. This is the original body and this is a body is a scaling body. Okay, and this undo. Okay, this is a perfect body and this size is a scaling command is used and this body is select here and any point is a this point is select here. Okay, and size is double and size is triple, then use a this size. Okay, this is a triple size and this is a double size. Okay, and preview is showing here. This is okay. Okay, and double click here and hide show initial command. This is a initial command is hide. Okay, initial command is showing here. Okay, and use repeat again, then okay, and instance is 4. This is a correct. Okay, this body is a correct, 4 is a drawing here. Okay, okay, and undo. Okay, this is a real body and last point is affinity. Affinity is used and select a this body. Okay, and axis is a element is select here, origin is any origin. origin point and origin, any origin selector, this is a point, and select double. Ratio is x axis, y axis and z axis. Okay, this is a x axis, this is a y axis, and point is a z axis. Okay, this is a correct. And 3 axis, x axis is double, y axis is also double, and z axis is double. Then body is a select, preview is showing here, and then okay, this is a correct. And double click here, and this show and hide. Initial body is show and hide, and this body is a affinity body, and this body is a double. X axis is also double, x direction, y direction and z direction is also. Initial body is double size of affinity body. Okay, okay, and undo. One try again. This body is a initial body and affinity is used, and select, and any point is select this point, and this point is a x axis is double, y axis is also double, and z axis is double. Okay, this is a correct. Body is okay. Okay, okay guys, all is discussed here, and next lecture is coming soon, and today also discuss here. Okay guys, I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. Guys, any doubt this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. Guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.